Hey everybody, welcome back to another box unopening that this chicken's like, yeah, let's open it, let's do it. This is from the Chicken Bawks, and I really love that this one here has like all the logos and stuff on it. This is for May 2021, and you know, here's the logo, the Chicken Bawks. Hey chicken lovers, this is for you. Check out the joke. Why did the chicken cross the road to get to the mailbox? That's cute. So this is a newer box subscription that I started getting, which has a bunch of well, chicken related things, but it includes a t-shirt. So we'll go ahead and get started with the unboxing. Let's see what we have. All right. Put that to the side because I don't like to read the contents and spoil everything that's going on. Oh my goodness, it's a sticker. How cool is that? That is so cool. For anybody who knows me, I love stickers, so I'm floored even from the little smallest of things. Oh look, it comes with shades. Sunny side up. That's cute. Oh look, look. There's a little treat for you, buddy. Treats. Mealworms, corn, little bits of seeds and stuff. They'll enjoy that. Okay, yeah, there's a little tag for it. Organic Raw Roots Farm. And here is the shirt. Let's see what it looks like. Alright, so it's like a light gray color. Oh, and here's what it is. Cute, loyal, friendly, happy, adorable, cuddly, fluffy. Makes me breakfast. Love it. Oh my goodness. Well, awesome. Well, that was all the content. So kind of wrap up. Here's the shirt and some cute little shades. The treats. And the sticker. Cool, cool. Look, I'm super surprised that chicken did not get the bag. Oh, here comes Bertha. Bertha's like, yeah, look, there's stuff. Look, Junior. What you think? Oh, wait. Nope, you'll rip a hole in it. Then we'll have a mess. Here, you want some? Hang on, let's see if I can get it with one hand. Hang on. There you go. See, we did that. Here, let me move the shirt that way so you don't step on it. There, see, look, treats. Honker. Come back here with Junior's treats. Oh, you just want to eat on my hand. Look, there's treats right there. There you go. Look at Bertha. The leghorns can kind of be a little bossy. So protect Bertha. Is that good, Bertha? Is that good stuff? Yeah? Of course, that one's going to come over and scare everybody away. Look, Bertha, look. Come over here. There's somebody over here. She likes the corn. Junior, get some. Don't be scared. Look. Hang on, I got you, Bertha. There you go. No, there's plenty down there. No, that's for Bertha. No, that's for Bertha. Bertha, you gotta be quick. I'm trying to sneak a hand here to Bertha. Gotta be quick, Bertha. Oh, she'll see my hand back here. Yeah, there we go. Oh, why are you kicking it? It's all available for you. Weirdo chicken. Man, Bertha, is that good? See, you didn't miss anything, little chiggy. All right. Well, tell everybody bye. Thank you for watching. Make sure you give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more content as we're trying to build our subscribers. We'd love to share our love for chickens. We're happy that y'all like watching them as well. Well, we will talk to everybody later. Say bye, guys. Say bye, bye, guys. Bye, Junior.